Very joyful morning, dear kids. Today is Wednesday and we are going to learn mathematics subject. Are you ready? Yes, today we are going to learn beta before number. Yes, before that I am going to show you something. Yes. Now identify this picture. What is this? Yes, this is hat. Okay. Hat. Then number 2 is ball and number 3 is shape. Okay. Miss had already given numbers over here beta. Yes. First number hat, second number ball and third number sheep. Okay. Yes dear kids, look at this material very carefully. Yes, dear kids, Miss has placed 3 types of objects here. First one is teddy and second is doll and third what Miss had kept here beta? School bag. Okay. At the very first teddy, then second is doll, then third one is school bag. Okay. Look at this material very carefully. Yes dear kids, just look at these objects very carefully beta. Which had kept at the very first, Miss had kept teddy, second one is doll and third what Miss had kept here beta? School bag. Okay. Now you have to identify the position beta. Yes. At the very first Miss had kept teddy and in between Miss had kept doll and after doll Miss had kept bag. Okay. Now you have to tell the position. Okay. Yes, now tell me which position is doll? Doll is in between position. Okay. And before doll what Miss had kept beta? That is teddy. Okay. Then after doll what Miss had kept? That is bag. Okay. This is between position. This is before position. And this is after position. Okay. Yes. Now Miss had placed some numbers also. In first position teddy bear, second position doll and third position bag is here. Yes. Now you have to tell me which will come before 2. Which number will come before 2 beta? That is 1. Yes. Now which number will come after 2? After 2 is 3 number will come. Yes. Okay. This is first position, this is second position and this is third position. Okay. This position is between position, before position and after position. Okay. I think you had understood before, between and after. Okay. Yes dear kids, Miss had written some numbers like 1 to 20 here beta. You have to write before number. Yes, now we'll do this. Before यानी क्या होता है बताइए? Before means पहले. Okay, before means पहले. अब आपको बताना है which number will come before 2. Come on, go through these number and tell me which number will come before 2 beta. Before 2, which number will come? Before 2, which number will come before 2? Yes, you are right. That is 1. So, you have to write here 1. Then, before 1, 1, 11. before 1111, which number will come before 1111? Look at here carefully. 1111 before 1010. So you have to write 1010 here. Okay. Now tell me which number will come 1616 before 1616, before 1616, that is 1515. Yes. This is all about before number. I think you had understood what is before number. Yes. Yes, dear kids, now we will do between number. Between number means what is the meaning of between? Beach wala. Yes, question beach mein. Yes, you have to tell me which number will come in between 1 and 3. Come on, go through these numbers. 1, 2, 3. Yes, between question, in between question, which number is this beta? 2. So you have to write 2 here. Okay, between question. Then which number will come in between 13 and 1515? Between 13 and 1515, that is 1414. So you have to write 1414. Yes. Now which number will come in between 1010 and 12? Which number will come beta? Just go through these numbers 10 and 12. In between 10 and 12, that is 1111. So you have to write in the box. Okay. This is all about between number. I think you had understood what is between. Yes, between number. Now we will go for the after number. Yes, now you have to tell me what is this beta? After. After means baad mein. Okay. Now you have to tell me method written 1717 here. Now you have to go through these number and tell me which number will come after 1717. Yes, 1818. So you have to write here 1818 beta. Yes. Now write by the same way you have to write. You have to tell me which number will come after 1616. After 1616, which number will come? Yes, that is 1717. Yes. Now tell me which number will come after 3. Yes. Tell me. After 3, 6 will come? No. 14 will come? No. Yes, after 3, 4 will come. Yes. So we will write 4 here. Like this way you have to write beta. Yes. I think you had understood all the 3 positions: before, after and between. Yes. Dear kids, I think you understood the position. Yes. Now we will do it in the book beta. Just take out page number 2828. Yes. What you have to do is here numbers are given here: before, between and after. Yes. Now what you have to do is, which number is this beta? This is 7 and you have to write before 7. Which number will come? Come on. See these numbers carefully. Before 7, which number will come beta? 6. So you have to write 6. Before means pehle, है ना? 7 के पहले. So you have to write 6 here. Okay. Now 2020. Before 20, which number will come? Before 20, 1, 9, 19. Yes. Then before 1, 1, 11, which number will come beta? 1, 0, 10. Okay. Yes, look at here carefully, dear kids. Before 20, which number will come beta? Before 20, 20 के पहले 1, 9, 19. Yes, 1, 9, 19 will come before 20. So you have to write 1, 9, 19 here. 1, 9, 19. Okay. Now, before 11, which number will come? Again, go through the numbers. Before 11, yes, 11 is here. Before 11, 10 will come before. Yes, 1, 0, 10. Okay. Now tell me before 8, which number will come before 8? Come on, tell me. Yes, before 8, 7 will come. So we will write 7 here, beta. Yes. Now, which number will come before 2? Yes, look at here. Before 2, 1. Okay, so we will write 1 here, beta. Yes, 1. Then next is 1, 6, 16. Now tell me, dear kids, which number will come? 1, 6, 16. Before 16, which number will come? Yes, you are right. That is 1, 5, 15. So we will write number 15 here, beta. Okay. Like this way you have to complete this line. Yes. Now we will do between number. Yes. What is the meaning of between? Between means दोनों के बीच वाला number. Yes. As we seen in the activity. Yes. देखिए यहाँ पर पूरे numbers दिए हैं, but you have to write only in between the number. 9 और 11 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Now tell me which number will come in between 9 and 11? That is 10. So you have to write 10 here. Okay. Now which number will come 14 and in between 16? Yes. Come on, tell me. 14 and 16. Between 14 and 16, 15. So 1, 5, 15 we will write here. Okay. Now tell me which number will come 6 and between 8? Yes, you are right. So we will write 7 here. Okay, now tell me which number will come in between 13 and 15? Look at these numbers very carefully. Yes, 13 and 15. That is 14. Okay. So we will write 14 here. Now tell me which number will come 18 and 20? Between 18 and 20, which number will come, beta? Yes, before 18 and 20. Yes, that is 19. 1, 9, 9. So we will write 1, 9, 19 here. Okay. Now tell me which number will come in between 7 and 9? In between 7 and 9. Which number will come, beta? Yes. Go through the numbers. In between 7 and 9, 8 will come. Between 7 and 9, 8. Okay. Yes. Now just after means बाद वाला number. Which number written here, beta? 4. Just now tell me, go through the numbers and tell me which number will come after 4. Yes. 5. Yes, so we will write 5 here. Now tell me, after 10 which number will come? After 10, yes, 11. Okay, 11. So we will write 11 here. Now after 18, 18, which number will come after 18? That is, tell me. Yes, you are right. 19. Yes, now we will write 19 here. Now tell me which number will come after 14. Come on, tell me. 14. That is 15. Okay. Now we will write 15 here. Okay. Now tell me which number will come after 9. After 9, beta. Yes. Which number will come? So we will write 10 here. Now after 19, which number will come? Tell me. 20. Yes. So we will write 20 here. Okay. Like this way you have to complete this page. Okay dear kids, page number